Neha Sharma.
And this is Aisha Sharma, and we're shooting for the May cover of Exhibit magazine.
Where tech meets
Lifestyle. The coolest piece of gadget that I own is my latest Sony Alpha camera, which I'm obsessed with.
Oh yeah, like Aisha is an engineer. She's a biotech engineer, which I don't think a lot of people know because they think, I don't know if they consider there are too many hot engineers.
Oh, thanks, Rania. A lesser known fact about Neha would be that she is a fashion designer from NIFT Delhi. I don't think people know that, but she started out as a fashion designer and then ventured into acting. It's a wrap.